Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Oge and I'm reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria. In today's video, we're making jollof rice. We're going to be making jollof rice for Sunday lunch, and we're going to be using twin tomatoes and some fresh tatashi. So I'll start by adding my water in my pot to parboil my rice. I love to parboil my rice. I don't know how to do it otherwise. I just feel weird about it. And while that water is boiling, cooking to boil, I'm going to be adding my chicken spices. This is a combination of seasoning cubes, salt, curry, thyme, and bay leaf. Yeah, I'm having to switch up because I have one burner that burns better or faster than the other. Usually, meat stock or fish stock is the basis or the foundation of a very yummy meal, or whether it be jollof rice, fried rice, whatever it is really. And because I'm making jollof rice, I've added a bit of paprika in this. Paprika is toasted peppers. I'm not sure which type of pepper, but that smokiness adds a really nice flavor, and it's going to make this jollof rice turn out a bit smoky. Not as smoky, but it's going to give you that smoky flavor. So if you're looking for emergency smoky jollof rice, this is one recipe to use. So my chicken is half done. I've added water because I let it cook in its own juice. So I've added water. Now I'm spicing up a little bit more just to get that taste that I want. And then I'm going to let it continue cooking. In the time being, I'm going to be adding my rice because now the water has boiled. I'm cooking about 6 cups of rice. When I mean 6 cups, I'm using 6 cups of this repurposed 200 gram tin tomatoes. Yes, that's what I use as my cup. Some people use milk cup, evaporated milk, but that's what I use because I use a lot. I don't use a lot of evaporated milk. So I have my rice that is parboiled now, and I'm going to strain while that is after straining, and then I'm going to tackle this shaking. And I will start that by making sure my pot is dry, adding some vegetable oil, which I'll let heat, and then some onions. These onions I didn't cut it because I didn't want it to scatter in my oil, and if it scatters it to burn and it's going to change what I want. I really want that flavor inside. Sorry, my camera became blurred. I didn't realize that on time, but you know, we're going to pass this phase. So I'm just turning the chicken and making sure it is well cooked, right? And then I'm getting to put the fried chicken in my paper towel to drain the excess oil. And then now I'm adding my onions to fry. This is by the way, the oil in this I used to fry this chicken has grabbed enough flavor from this and has made my food yummy. Notice that I also added some paprika, curry, thyme, onions before my tomato paste. By the time you fry your onions, and then this is my pre-cut tatashi. By the time you fry your onions with some curry, thyme, man, it's gonna take it to another level. I've added my crayfish and pepper mix, and then I'm adding my seasoning cubes. Usually seasoning cube is one seasoning cube to 1 cup of rice, but because I don't use a lot of that, I try to adjust it. And here goes in my meat stock after I've let my tomatoes and tatashi fry very well. I'm adding some more water just to make sure that the rice can cook very well, and then I'll let it come to a boil, after which I'm gonna add my rice, and then the story continues. Unfortunately, this camera didn't give me the actual picture of how this jollof rice was. Man, don't be deceived by the way the picture is looking. This jollof rice turned out very colorful, and yeah, it turned out very colorful. And I like the fact that those tatashi pieces are just showing and advertising themselves inside that rice. Man, hopefully when we grow up, we'll buy better camera and be doing videos as is. In the meantime, please support me by giving me a thumbs up and then sharing this video with your friends and loved ones. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please Don't fail to subscribe and then click on that bell icon so that you can get notified anytime I share a new post. Who else have noticed that I put this on medium-low heat, by the way, so that the rice can cook well. Sometimes your rice is actually burning, but you still have water on it. Most times it's already dry, but some remaining leftover water, that's what I'm just stirring, and you see that it looks like it's dried already, but it's not entirely dry. So I'm going to be letting this dry up completely and just burn it a little bit, just a little bit of that burn, so that I know that jollof smokiness can come out very well. So guys, this is all for today's Sunday lunch, yummy jollof rice, and we're gonna down this with our chicken and of course our coleslaw, well, salad, whatever I call it, cabbage, cucumber, onions, mayonnaise if we like, and if we don't like, we're gonna eat it like that, because it's better to always eat it like that, because we do healthy living here. I make videos on healthy living, budgeting, and saving. So subscribe to my channel and I'll be seeing you in another video. Until then, bye bye.